Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix the problem of contacts not syncing. On the application of X Twitter, you will go to settings here. In this page, you will go to apps. On above, you will search about X Twitter and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.